After understanding the concept of circle, let us look at the another term, a parabola. First, I am going. See, in the previous circle also we have started with the definition. So, a locus of a point whose distance from fixed point is equal to the distance from fixed line. This is nothing but the definition. Now, what is exactly meaning over here? There is one fixed point will be there and the fixed line will be there. Try to understand the definition. So, one can think about the first point. This is the point which is equidistant from this. That means this length will be equal to this length. This is the point we are talking about. Now, time being, it is not exactly, it is 2 centimeter we are reaching from the line. Suppose someone is moving here, it is 2.5 centimeter. From here also, if you are moving 2.5 centimeter, you will be reaching over here. If one student is moving like this 3 centimeter, here also you can move 3 centimeter, you will get this one. Same way on the down the line also you can have, this is the point. So there are such type of the points, and if you connect like this, you will get a trace the path. This locus is called as parabola. Now if you want to get the equation, we have to place this whole system on xy plane. So what we'll do, first I am going to plot the parabola. Look here, this is a parabola. This will be over here, it is one line which is as per as definition. This is the point F. Now you can add one more term. The fixed point is called as focus. The word is focus. The fixed point is called as focus. So F I have written. And the fixed line is called as a directrix. Write down this word, directrix. So in this scene, this is directrix and this will be the focus. Now what I am going to do, I am going to draw a line which is passing through a focus. Try to understand this concept. A line which is passing through focus and perpendicular to the directrix. This is that line. A line which is passing through the focus and perpendicular. This is called as axis of the parabola. This is as axis of the parabola. So this is nothing but x-axis, and I am just fitting y-axis over here. So that I will get this point. As a origin. I should call it 0, 0. Now I have talked about what is the equation. Axis. This is the focus. Axis cutting the given curve. I am talking about given curve. This curve is a parabola. This parabola cuts its axis at this point. This is called as vertex. Now in this scene, the vertex will be 0, 0. Let us consider this distance is a unit. So I can call it is a comma 0 will be a focus. If this is a unit, this will be also a unit. Here it will be, this point will be minus a comma 0. So its equation will be x plus a will be equal to 0. Try to understand this. This right side, left hand side, x is equal to a will be 0 because at this point. Okay. Now I am just applying that definition. General point I just call it is as P. This is PF and over here it is PM. So the first definition, PF is equal to PM. Try to understand this. That is nothing but distance of the point, locus of the points, equidistance from the focus and the line. So this distance PF and PM. How to get PF? P is any general point with x comma y. So it will be nothing but root under x minus a the whole square plus y minus 0 the whole square. Whereas PM is nothing but now in this case perpendicular distance formula. Do you remember the formula? ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root under a square plus b square. ABC you are getting from this equation. A will be 1 coefficient, b will be 0 and c will be equal to a. And x1 y1 is the point. This is x comma y. So if you simplify, it will be giving you x plus 0 plus a root under 1 square plus 0 square. Now I can say squaring both the side, I will get left hand side is like this, will be equal to, this is 1 only, so it will be x plus a the whole square. Go on simplifying. Simplify, just I am waiting. Check whether you are getting this. So this is nothing but the equation of the parabola which you can say. Now few terms. Axis means what? A line passing through focus and perpendicular to directrix. Vertex, the point of intersection of curve, in this case parabola, and axis. Now there is a one more term, it is called as a latus rectum. Try to understand this point properly. Latus rectum is the line, a line passing through focus and perpendicular to axis. Try to understand this point properly. It is perpendicular to axis. I am going to draw this figure. Now this is nothing but the standard parabola which is known to you, which you have seen just now. This is the focus. Now equation of this is nothing but y square is equal to 4ax. Do you remember, which we have got by proof? This focus is nothing but minus a comma 0. The definition say a line passing through the focus. This is L and L dash. Latus rectum, therefore this word I am using. So this point is a comma 0. So over here it will be always a comma something. So put x is equal to a in this equation. So you will get, try to find out y. Correct. Y you can get plus minus. So L, one of the point is a comma 2a, whereas another point is a comma minus 2a. A comma 2a and another point is a comma minus 2. Suppose you want the distance, find out the LL dash distance by distance formula. Correct. It is giving you 4a. It is giving you 4a. So you should be comfortable with all these terms. Now I'm going back and I'm asking you, what is the equation of the axis of the parabola? This is nothing but x-axis, so it will be y will be equal to 0. Vertex will be 0 comma 0. Directrix equation will be x plus a will be equal to 0. Focus will be a comma 0. Equation of the parabola, y square is equal to 4ax. So these all things you should know. Apart from this endpoints of latus rectum, a comma 2a, a comma minus 2a. Length of latus rectum is 4a. This all terminology you have to use while answering the question. In case of circle, we have learned two concepts. Circle whose center is anywhere in the xy plane, and another is circle whose center is at origin. Similarly, parabola, we have 4 different types of the parabola. Let me explain the similar type of the parabola. Now I am going to draw the figure first, and then we are going to answer all these questions. So all these things you should be, it's very easy to remember also. Look here, the parabola which just now you have seen is this one, right opening. This is another, it is left side opening. Okay, there are 4 different parabolas we are learning. The one is opening upward and the another one is opening downwards. So we'll be talking about all these 4 cases. So let me, I'm going to share first these two concepts, and then you can apply. This is nothing but vertex. Over here also it will be. So vertex, I will be saying 0 0. Is it not easy to recall? This point is nothing but the focus. Here it will be a comma 0. Over here it will be, correct, tell me, minus a comma 0. Focus will be a comma 0. Over here focus will be minus a comma 0. Directrix equation will be on this side. Directrix. So this is a unit, this is. So I am recalling like x is equal to minus a. But now here directrix will be over here. So it will be x is equal to a. I am just putting up this value. X is equal to a is nothing but equation of directrix. Over here equation of directrix will be equal to x is equal to minus a. Now at least this much connection is okay. Okay. Now this parabola equation, we have just got the by proof, y square is equal to 4x. Similarly, if you prove over here, you will be getting y square is equal to minus 4x. The same rule, how we have simplified this way, y square. So if you work out with the second parabola, there is no need of recall. This is, you should know. Now, end points of equation of axis. Equation of axis, y will be equal to 0. Over here also y will be equal to 0. Now two things I have to write. End points of lateral rectum and length of lateral rectum. Here you must see, this is a comma, no? So here it will be a comma 2a. Here it is a comma minus 2a, fourth quadrant. Here, can anyone tell now? Correct. It will be minus a. Look here, minus a comma 2a, and here it is minus a comma minus 2a. And length of lateral rectum in both the cases, it will be 4a. It will be 4a. So you should be familiar with this term by giving equation of the parabola anything. So this is this description is for this parabola, standard parabola. Y square is equal to, over here it will be y square is equal to 4. How to get this? That should not have a doubt. If you proceed like this, you will get it's no issue. Okay. Similarly, I am talking about this case. I am talking about these two problems. Now vertex. This is vertex. Easy for you? Correct. Vertex. I am just quoting now symbols P 0, 0. Focus. Can anyone tell now focus here? Focus. Correct. 0, a. But here this focus will be correct. It will be 0, minus a. Equation of axis will be now this. Equation of axis will be y will be equal to 0. No, it will be x will be equal to 0. Over here also x will be equal to 0. Okay. Now focus I am writing. It will be 0, a. 0, a. This is required for in one of the case. Equation of directrix will come over here. Now it will be y will be equal to minus a. Y will be equal to minus a. But in this case, correct. Y will be equal to a. Y will be equal to a. Are you following this? Now, this is y coordinate is a. Here y coordinate will be a. So, endpoints whenever you are writing y coordinate will be a. You should write minus 2a and this is 2a. How to get? By solving. So now standard equation of this one will be x square is equal to 4ay. Over here it will be x square is equal to minus 4ay. X square will be equal to minus. Endpoints of lattice rectum, can anyone tell now? This is what? Minus, sorry, 0, minus a. Look here, this is the point. Correct. 2a, minus a, 2a, minus 2a, minus a. Are you following? Endpoints of lattice rectum. Over here it will be 4 and this is also it will be equal to 4a. So by using, so these are 4 different types. So one should be clear about that with their standard equation and rest of the points. Standard equation and the rest of the points. Okay. One small questions will do and then we conclude this concept. Equation of the parabola whose focus is there. Now see, focus is given as 0, 3. Equation of directrix somewhere over here. Y will be equal to 3. Okay. Which type of 0, 3 means focus will be, look here. This one or this one? Okay, opening upward, something like this. And y will be equal to now, here it will be minus 3. Y will be equal to minus 3. What is the value of a? A will be equal to 3. So what is the standard equation of that? X square will be equal to 4ay. Now replace 3 over here. X square will be equal to 12y. So this is the way to get the answer. Okay, so we'll talk about in the next video all different type of the problems. Okay, thank you.